Once upon a time, on the beautiful island of Motunui, there lived a brave and spirited girl named Moana. She belonged to a long line of wayfinders, people who sail across vast oceans to explore new lands. Moana's heart was full of adventure and curiosity. Moana grew up listening to tales about the ocean from her grandma Tala, who was known for her storytelling and deep wisdom. Grandma Tala told Moana about their ancestor Maui, a demigod who stole the heart of the goddess Te Fiti, causing darkness to spread across the islands. As Moana grew, she felt a strong calling from the ocean. While her father, Chief Tue, wanted her to stay on the island and become the next leader, Moana couldn't shake the feeling that she was meant to explore beyond the horizon. One day, disaster struck Motunui. Plants were dying, fish were disappearing, and the people were scared. Grandma Tala revealed to Moana that the ocean had chosen her to restore the heart of Te Fiti and save their island. Guided by the stars and her adventurous spirit, Moana set out on her journey across the ocean. With a little help from the ocean, which seemed to have a personality of its own, she found the legendary Maui. Although he was reluctant at first, the clever and determined Moana convinced Maui to join her quest. Maui was full of surprises, with his magical fishhook that allowed him to shapeshift into different animals. Together, they faced many challenges like the coconut-clad pirates, known as the Kakamora, and the fiery lava monster Te Fiti. The journey taught Moana the true skills of wayfinding, using the guidance of the stars, waves, and wind. As they reached Te Fiti's island, Moana bravely approached Te Ka and understood that the monster was actually Te Fiti without her heart. Moana placed the heart back in Te Fiti, transforming Te Ka back into her rightful form. The island blossomed back to life with greenery and joyous creatures. Moana returned to her island as a true leader who had connected her people back with the ocean. She inspired her tribe to take to the seas again, discovering new islands and adventures. After her journey, Moana knew she was no longer just an islander. She was a voyager of the ocean, bold and ready for whatever laid over the horizon. And thus, Moana's story spread across oceans, teaching everyone to follow their heart and embrace who they are.